Hello guys, welcome to AutoArcs Design. Today we are going to discuss on how to detail a beam in Archicad. This may happen if maybe you just know how to use Archicad and you're very much familiar with it, or even you cannot have the setup on for the AutoCAD that we usually use to detail the elements of a building. So we are going to use the Archicad 25, and this is the project that we are going to do. So the beam that we are going to detail for today is a continuous beam, and it is B1 to, that starts from grid line B4 to I4, and you can also see it in the 3D. This is the beam that we are going to design. It is a continuous beam. The dimensions of the beam is 200 by 600 mm, and the column is 200 by 450. So let's start. So the first thing that we are going to do, we are going first to select the grid lines, and which is by going to start at grid line B and end at I. So selecting the grid lines, then you are going to copy them. So Control Shift D, and that is to copy, and then drag to the bottom. Yes, there. So after dragging, we are going to first minimize the grid lines and to shorten the grid lines because they are very long. So before doing it, first select a line tool and select a point down here at the bottom, and then draw a horizontal line that will at a 0 degrees, and press OK. Draw another line, and then press OK. So the next thing is by selecting an individual grid line, then drag it to the top line. Yes, after doing all, now we can delete this line that is guiding us to put the grid lines on uniform conditions. We are going to left the center grid line, the center line, and this line we are going to use it to reflect on the top cover and the bottom cover. So by reflecting it, I mean because the beam is 600 mm, so we are going to go up by 300 and down by 300. I mean, Control Shift D, take it to 300. Then of course on the down one we go by, if it's the same, by 600. And that's what I mean. So the next thing, we are going to draw the covers of the support. This is the end support at B. So for the end support, what we are going to do is select a point, a line tool. We are going to use to draw a line, capture from there, and then the column, as you can see here, the column is 200. That means we are going to put it at 100 on this side and 100 on the other side, not 200 because we are starting that way. So we are going to remove the excess lines on this end. So by doing that, so how are we doing it? Just by press OK, press, hold, and then select the lines that you want to minimize. Yes, that is how it's been minimized. And next we are going to draw the cut line. So select the tool, then we are using the geometric method. Select a point. We are drawing the cut line. That is the cut line. Now we are going to draw the same cover to the interior supports. So we first copy these elements or these covers, draw the lines by Control Shift D, then select a point. Then move it by 3000 and it will end there. So here we have the excess length of this line, so decrease the line. And now what we are going to do is use this cover to copy on this other interiors. So the easy way is by Shift and then select all the elements or the lines, then right click, go to move and then multiply. Here we are going to go at a spread option and place 3000 intervals, then press OK and select a point anywhere, show to the direction of the end, at the end direction, and make sure it is at 0. So you can see this end, we need a longer part here, so we are going to increase, then remove unnecessary lines that are passing through by Control and then select those lines. Yeah, now the next thing, you're also going to remove some extra lines that are inside our support cover. And after removing the covers and observe that everything is okay, you can see there's an access here. So guys, I will stop it from there on this video, and let's continue on another episode by putting the reinforcements on the covers that we created. So thank you for watching this video. If you are new, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can push the channel other people to see and also gain the same knowledge. Thank you guys, thank you so much.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.